Hello and welcome to Christ Center Gamer's latest unboxing of, well, it's a box. And it's got characters on there that I can't read. But it's got a VR headset in there, a loaner unit from Pimax. And this is their, it should be their Crystal Light. Now, when I think of that, I think of the beverage, right? But no. So this headset is not cheap. It's $8.99 and they have sales on it. I think they had a flash sale recently, like $80 off. So there are some deals to be had, but so yeah, let's try to get the bubble wrap off. Okay. There we go. So, if you like fidgeting with bubble wrap, you got some entertainment here. Wow, I think I might just got myself paper cut, box cut, whatever. Ooh, pretty. Okay. So, we have a letter. Oh, it's been inspected and it has passed. The glass lenses are devoid of imperfections. The exterior shell devoid of panel gaps. Face foam straps and Velcro. Appearance and buttons. Backstrap assembly structure. Screen display. Works in all hertz modes. Functions test. Slam tracking speaker, audio microphone, controllers, pairing, tracking, tactile feel. Product labeling, serial number and all that, packaging, and so it has passed. So thank you, Lewis and Supervisor Glenn, for checking this out. All right. So what do we got here? I'm assuming these are cables. And we got USB A to C. Two of those. Ooh. This one's got some chunkier stuff in it. Oh, AC adapter converters. I want this one. Or, no, I probably want the holes in it. I want that one. Well, that's an interesting looking one. Okay, so we got all those. And here's the hand controllers. Pretty standard fare, smaller than the Oculus ones. Now I will say we have, oh, we got some covering here. One, two. Okay. No, I had it right this time. All right, there we go. So buttons have a little mush feel to them. The joysticks are nice. Nice and smooth joysticks. Oops, I just turned it on. Alright. And that one's on too. So it's got good vibration. I'm wondering if the LED is indicating the charge level. It's like a yellow, so probably about halfway. Which is a good way to ship things, so you don't kill the batteries too badly. Alright, so onto the headset itself. Oh, I am bleeding. I did cut myself. Look at that. Headset comes with a free DNA sample. Alright. And it's got a box with the cable. Alright. Oh, we got a few things here. Alright, this looks like a sizable cable with a full-on display port. A lot of times I have to use adapters. So this one is full, and then USB-A. Looks like 2.0. I'm guessing it's blue. All right, and so yeah, there we are. So that's the cable, and then we have more. It's a little sizable thing, and we got microfiber cloth for cleaning, so that's nice. Okay, this is the AC adapter in question with all the different. There we go. Now I should be ready to rock and roll. So yeah. Alright, so this is everything. So now I guess let's take a look. Careful, the box does have teeth. Alright, let's see how this bad boy fits. Oh, we got more things to peel off. Okay, and I'm not sure if this sucker is glasses friendly. I don't think this part's supposed to be on. I'm gonna guess this is a shipping thing. I'll take that off for now. Alright, let's see. Is that the... Alright, let's wish me luck. Oh, it's got the same kind of contraption, like the adjusting system as the PlayStation VR. And I gotta figure out. So it's got the ratchet system, but I gotta figure out how to. And oh, I see. Oh, this is gonna be tight. I gotta. Oh, I think I just turned this. Nope, that's just the light. Alright, I gotta find the friendly manual. Oh, I like how it's got cable management there. Alright, so I think I managed to tighten it, but I didn't loosen it. Okay, there we go. There we go, we're loosening it now. Alright, there. And now we're ratcheting it onto my head. And it actually looks like it's pretty good with glasses. They're not smushed. I'm not sure if it's got any power or anything like that yet. I'll figure all that out. But very comfortable. Pretty well balanced. I can feel like kind of like the weight in my head doesn't feel like they're gonna fall off my face. I'm guessing this is the audio, like the little speakers, so that's nice. You don't have to worry about little, whatever ear inserts. You get share wax with everybody. Don't want that. So yeah. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to take this thing off. Whee! All right. So it feels comfortable. So obviously this is a pricier headset compared to the other ones that we have on hand here. We bought, we've had we had the original Rift, we had the Rift 2. We bought the Reverb, the HP G2 Reverb, which was a mixed reality, and that one just came out with the Oasis drivers, which makes it work after Windows kind of killed the mixed reality thing with the Windows update. So the Reverb that we have, the resolution is 2160 per eye, and it has a 114 degree field of view. The other headset we have is the PlayStation VR 2, which is 2000 by 2040 per eye. The field of view of that one is 110, so the HP is actually the best field of vision of all the headsets in this house at the moment. Now, the Crystal Light here, this one is got like 28. Let me see, where's the specs on this one? But the field of view is a little tricky. They kind of say they're doing a horizontal thing, but I think it's about 105-ish on there. But but the resolution is 2880 per eye. So crazy good resolution. I can't wait to check that out. I'm more of a motion VR person, and this is more for like, I guess, perfect for if you like flight sims, racing sims, stuff like that. But I like to move in VR, so I play rhythm games and kind of stuff like that. So stay tuned for our written review. We're gonna check it out in the next month or so. We'll see how long they let us keep it for a bit, but yeah, I look forward to definitely playing around with it. So we're gonna probably have a lot of VR reviews in the near future. We have plenty in our backlog. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed our reviews. Thank you for watching. God bless.